So I've got these extra backup lights on my BMW, and they work pretty good, but I was noticing that the gasket starting to go away on the connection there, and I'm afraid water might intrude into the housings and then cause it to fail. So I'm going to use some of this flowable silicone to seal up the housing. I just squirt a little bit on here. You can be kind of liberal with it, and it is flowable. It'll go down in the creeks and crevices and seal it up. So that should take care of it. Again, it's a flowable silicone for windshield and glass. I've never used it on a windshield and glass, but I use it for electrical connections. It works pretty good.